Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of this design. It was made to be a wooden cutout, which is why I have it in some different looking layers. There are two layers, well, two groups in this design. There is the group that has the gray circles in the background and then the black circles on the top row. And I made this to be a physical item, laser cut out of wood, and that is why all of these little dots here on this top layer are actually touching. So this little piece could be cut out independently, and all of those little dots would stay together as little dots, but still stuck onto this circle, which is stuck onto this circle, so that way you could cut this piece out and then stick it on top of this one here. So that is why all of the little dots are touching and why the designs are the way they are. Now, I did that for each of these word circles here, and then this gray layer here, this gray layer is the background. So these are all circles that have actually been cut with little notches, so that way you can notch them together. Boop, boop, boop. Oh, this one has to go here. This one has to go here. Like that. To make it, in a line like that. They all link up together. So yeah, these are the background ones, and they're cut out. And then these foreground ones go on top of it. So that is my plan for the pieces. So there's actually several pieces to cut out of wood to make it nice and big for you as a nice piece of wall art. So that is my plan. That was my thought behind this design and how it would lay out to work nicely. Now let's go ahead and read it. I should talk. So these layers are in two separate groups. Let me actually slide this over so you can see it. Bam. So this group here at the bottom, this group is our background circles. This group here is our foreground circles. Come on, let me click. Yep, like that. So yeah, and then this text will actually be gone once I send it to you, but that's just the English translation. So yeah, let's go ahead and read it now, finally, actually. So, here we have the name Alicia. We start at the bottom of a word circle and we go counterclockwise, like a time traveler going back in time. And vowels are these little guys. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 vowels in this name, 2 A's and 2 I's. And then the consonants are both full circle, and they're inside our word circle. So here's our word circle, this black line. And inside our word circle, we have a full circle, and then this one's also a full circle. And then the letters themselves are determined by the modifiers. So 1, 2, 3 dots make that full circle an L, and 1, 2, 3, 4 dots make this circle a C. So 3 dots makes it an L, 4 dots makes it a C. So starting at the bottom, going counterclockwise, A, L, I, C, I, A. So there's Alicia. And then we have this word. Starting at the bottom, we have this full circle, and there are no dots that actually end on it, or that are by it, or lines that actually end on it. So this line passes through, this line passes through, and then this is a vowel because it's empty in the middle, dots are full. Oh, big yawn. So that is just the letter J. And then we have an O. This is a deep divot. See how there's like a little chunk taken out of the circle? And then two lines attached to it. So that would be an H. N with one line. S with 1, 2, 3 lines. O, and then this full circle has one line on it there. So there's Johnson. A outside the word circle, N with one line, D with 3 dots. And then this word Tim, starting at the bottom going counterclockwise, we have the shallow divot, that's the T. Then we have the M with 1, 2, 3 lines, and the I with one line inwards. And you see the slash, the I? That brings the I in front of the M. So rather than being just by itself, over here, I wanted to make this nice little pattern with these intersected lines. So I wanted to put inside the M, but I had to go in front of the M, so I had to slash it. There's a whole thing on letter stacking rules. That's not in the little mini version of the guide up there, but a line through a vowel brings it up in front of the consonant. Well, one consonant in the stack. So that's T, I, M. And then here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 dots on the C, A outside the word circle, 1, 2, 3, 4 dots on the shallow divot, making an NT, and then 1, 2 dots on the Y. So that's C-A-N-T-Y is canty. And then this is our numbers. And numbers are done different than words because each number circle has a center decimal point. And then each of these rings going out from that decimal point is our decimal places. So this first number has just one decimal ring, and then this one has 1, 2, and then this one has 2. So it should be a 1-digit number, 2-digit number, and then a 2-digit number. So this is a 5 because it's a circle, plus 1 and 2 is 7, 5, 6, 7. So that's 7. The whole number is 7. And then this number, we have 1, 2 going through it, and then 1 going through in the ones place, that's a 21. And then we have 1 there, and then 5, 6, 7. So that's 7, 21, 17. So yeah, that is that. I hope you like it. Thanks. Bye.